Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. This year, Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're steaming garden eggs in Torowa.
Okay. Ain't no saying, yeah, be, yeah, yang, in Torowa. Ain't sooner waha. Na me use way. Na me de atum like that. Okay. Ain't nafi with the on Torowa nebukum. Just place your garden eggs anyhow like that, like this. Yes, like so. This is saying. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. What is it? Is it on steam? No. Okay. It's on steam now. So let's see. Okay. It's in so look at that. So nice. It's in look. Soft too. Look. Let's see. Oof. See, I've been coming. And also no me feel say we say that. You keep more nutrients more than boiling it like this on the stove or with a lot of water. And also no, unless maybe you can use the water for soup or something, but this one I'm cooking it. I'm gonna make a boom, and then me yam papa biu.
Efana sana mekoso no Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo any local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking and na oye enuane a wonti bidin da and na omo no a page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onyanware ye eja esujani unu bebe no ama obetimi akọ no YouTube channel no so mo hwese no se no nyane ahodo na so hwe na kama na numbers no go screen so obetimi afa nemom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano ano kama na yenkoi na
okay it's in yembe so ni hwe so look at that. So nice. Look. Soft too. Look. Let's see. Oof. See, I've been coming. And also no me feel say we say that. You keep more